Namaste. I'm Chef Prakarshi and I am the Chief of Innovation for PlantMade. Almost 7 years of my career as a chef that I've always been given the massively difficult task of handling all the vegan guests and guests with special dietary requirements. I was always excited to do something new and give these guests an unparalleled view of luxury by making something outworldly for them. I've made curds out of rice milk, soy milk, almond milk, coconut milk, chicken nuggets made out of gluten, grilled calamari made from tender coconut, and sunny side up eggs made from tofu and spheres of roasted pumpkin puree, amongst other things. I grew more and more interested to push the boundaries of food, and I started researching about plant-based companies and cell-based companies, and came across an article about a professor from the Indian Institute of Technology in Delhi. This professor had recently demonstrated her version of a plant based egg alternative at the IIT's Industrial Day. So I reached out to her and expressed my interest in the field. I wanted to learn and share what I had learned in the kitchen just to see if we could do something great. I decided to take a couple of days off and fly to Delhi to meet the professor and nurture my curiosity. After an engaging discussion, she introduced me to Rahul Diwan, who, via Four Pursuits Ventures, had invested in the IIT's research into plant based meats. Post my first interaction with Rahul, I continued to be in touch, eventually leading up to me joining as a co founder. Now, Rahul has built a medium tech size company from the ground up over the past 18 years, which has now over 400 employees, offices in 6 countries. His passion to incubate people and businesses with significant social impact led him to form a seed fund called Four Pursuits Ventures in 2018. It was a huge challenge for us to start finding a contract manufacturer who was willing to help us conduct our pilot scale testing at their facility. Once we finally were able to find and convince a tofu manufacturer in the suburbs of Gurugram, we faced the challenge of finding someone to make a wet dehulling machine, which was essential to our production process. Since the process was highly delicate and technical, it took many iterations and modifications to get to the process to a point where it made it repeatable and consistent. I feel that still the biggest hurdle that we've overcome as a team was to successfully utilize the time during the COVID lockdown in India, where we couldn't manufacture and launch the product. We decided to do something different and started experimenting with various combinations of plant based milk powders and natural flavors to make a product that we would ourselves buy. So we came out with a line of coconut milk based instant vegan beverage premixes focusing on e-retailers and online sales. We've successfully onboarded on these products on 4 of the major e-retailer platforms and are constantly expanding our presence. This exercise helped us to get our brand out there and on board on the e-commerce platforms, vegan selling platforms, which would have taken time otherwise. We used this time to make administrative improvements and give ourselves a head start on all of these platforms. My favorite cooking technique that I would definitely have to be is slow cooking or braising. I think the biggest food fact that everyone should use is to use stock or a flavored liquid to use in their cooking and season at every stage of the recipe rather than just season at the end. That makes a huge difference. So thank you and hope to see you.